Most tube manufacturers only supply tubes. At E-Stainless, our tubes are used in real door handle production every day. This is because epai, our sister company and professional door handle manufacturer, uses E-Stainless tubes to produce premium handles. That's why we understand what door handle manufacturers really need. Every E-Stainless tube is manufactured under strict control of consistent dimensions for accurate fabrication, uniform wall thickness for stable bending performance, consistent surface finish for premium handle appearance, consistent weld quality for smooth fabrication and finishing. Looking for a reliable stainless steel tube supplier? Send us your requirements and let's discuss your next project.